Can we do it?
Power flows through lines that connect cities, industries, and lives. But inspecting these lines across difficult terrain and towering heights demands precision that never falters. Traditional power line inspections are slow, risky, and labor-intensive. But with Garuda Aerospace's drone-based stringing and power line inspections, we bring safety, speed, and accuracy to every meter of the grid. Our drones capture high-resolution imagery of conductors, insulators, fittings, and tower structures, while thermal sensors detect hotspots, loose connections, and overload patterns that are invisible to the human eye. These scans convert into digital tower twins, sag and tension measurements, conductor health assessments, and precise deviation mapping, critical for preventive maintenance and load optimization. During stringing operations, Garuda's specialized drones help pull lightweight pilot ropes across towers, eliminating the need for manual climbing or long ground-based setups, significantly speeding up the entire installation process. With accurate diagnostics and rapid data turnaround, our drone inspections detect hazards early, prevent outages, and support power companies with reliable, data-driven maintenance planning. From rural lines to urban grids and high-voltage corridors, Garuda Aerospace provides scalable, cost-effective power line inspection solutions that ensure service continuity, operational safety, and infrastructure longevity. Garuda Aerospace, powering progress with precision and inspecting every line that carries our future forward.